Okay. It's just so nice to be back at this place and filming in this place kasi ito talaga yung setup ko, di ba, Beshies? And I'm here because of a live stream, so na-inspire na akong mag-YouTube video. Welcome again to my channel, and I know ang tagal kong hindi nag-upload, so this is the second VLOGMAS video. Today, I will unbox a mega gift package from the Body Shop, and it includes some of their holiday gift sets. So, matinding unboxing to, and watch lang because you will get gift ideas for your friends and your family, and trust me, Beshies, ang gaganda ng mga sets. So, just sit back, relax, and let's continue with the video. Okay, so wala lang, nakakamiss lang yung liwanag nitong setup ko. Okay, so the Body Shop is one of my favorite body care brands. I think that is no secret because I just love their scents. I'm a scent person, and talagang gustong-gusto ko yung amoy ng mga ano nila, ng mga body wash, shampoo, ano pa, lotion. And nagsimula yan sa body butter. So, I don't think any of you are not familiar with the body butter. Yan ang pinaka-iconic na product ni The Body Shop. Isa sa mga pinaka-iconic. So, yan ang nagsimula ng love ko for scents and for The Body Shop. Okay, so nagpadala sila nito. Ready na ba kayo, Beshies? Oh my God. Ang laki. Hindi siya kasya sa frame. So, it's this one. Okay, so this gigantic sack. Ayan. Kita niyo naman gaano kalaki? Trust me, Beshies, ang laki talaga nito. Okay, so this sack contains some of their gift sets. And by the way, this pouch is made from recycled material. So, meron silang gift set in the store that comes with a pouch. Smaller version nito, definitely. And it is also recycled material. So, yan. Yay to The Body Shop for sustainability. So, this one, buksan natin. Simulan natin dito. So, meron silang tag that says, let's celebrate together. This is really nice. So, this is like a Christmas tree ornament. So, pwede natin gawin yon. And the reason behind that, yung let's celebrate together is, you know, because it's the pandemic and a lot of us have been forced to be away from our families, our friends, because of quarantine. So for them, parang, hey, even if, you know, this is the situation, we can still celebrate together in our own ways by, you know, through Zoom meetings, by sending gifts to friends, so, and family. So yun yung point. In other words, para-paraan, Beshies. Kung hindi pa talaga kayo confident to go out and meet with your families and hand over your gifts, The Body Shop, by the way, offers delivery. So, you can, you know, purchase from them and then have it delivered to, you know, your address or a certain address para, yun, may gusto kayong regaluhan. So, may ganoon silang service. Punta na lang kayo sa The Body Shop Philippines on Facebook and inquire na lang about that service. Anyway, anong laman nito? So, we have this really cute bouquet. I love it. I love it when brands send me flat lace stuff. Hindi ko na kailangan bumili. Tapos, oh my besh, may eucalyptus, oh. Ang bango, amoy spa. Mahilig ba kayo sa eucalyptus? Ako mahilig ako sa eucalyptus, eh. So, yan. Tapos, meron pa dito mga like dried flowers. Alam naman natin, usong-uso yan. So, that's part of it. Thank you, The Body Shop, for that. Okay, so dito na tayo sa gifts, Beshies. So, let me start with this one. So, this is the Christmassy Body Butter Set. So, yan. Kita nyo naman, Beshies, yung mga gifts ng The Body Shop, they are so pretty. And you don't have to, like, worry about wrapping them already. Alam ko, marami sa inyo, alam mo yun, tinatamad mag-wrap. Ako, mahilig ako mag-wrap ng gift, so it's not an issue for me. But, para sa inyo, na ayaw na mag-wrap, ayan, itong The Body Shop, perfect. So, just get it, slap a card on it, and just give it to friends or family. So, this one is the Body Butter collection. I-ano natin, unbox natin. So, meron siyang tatlong small-sized body butters that come in the limited edition Christmas scents ni The Body Shop. So, limited edition siya for this year. Ah, besh, ayoko sirain. Okay, tatlo siya as I said and as you've seen. So, we have warm vanilla, festive berry, and winter jasmine. So, amuyin natin. So, ayan, medyo tumabingi na siya. Ayan siya. Okay, winter jasmine. It's jasmine. So, para sa mga, mga titas like me, I love jasmine eh. So, bet na bet ko. But it's more for, it's a cooler scent. And of course, vanilla. Marami sa inyo favorite ang vanilla. Oh my God, ang bango. Parang gusto ko ipaamoy sa inyo, beshi. Bang-bango. And the next is festive berry. Isa pa to, ang bango. Like strawberries, raspberries, yun. Nagutom ako. Alright, so that's it for the Christmassy body butter set. Next is this one, Himalayan Charcoal Skin Purifying Kit. So, syempre, maskne is a concern right now. And, isa yan sa mga actually hinihingi sa akin ng friends ko, mga anti-maskne na stuff. And, ito, ayan, The Body Shop, meron siyang Himalayan Charcoal Skin Purifying Set. So, kita nyo naman, grabe, naka-box na siya. Sobrang giftable. As in, gift card na lang talaga yung kulang. So, okay, so what is inside? And siya. Tcharam! Wow. Talagang, gift wrap na for you. Wow! Ang cool. So, we have here Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Clay Wash. This is really good. I'm using this. Isa to sa mga nakatulong sa maskne ko. Next is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. Oh my God. Perfect timing. Dumating siya. And, oh my God, Beshies. It's a konjac jelly sponge. Kung familiar kayo dito, sumikat to before because it's a very gentle exfoliator. So, para dun sa may mga sensitive skin and ayaw nung yung scrub na gritty and yung exfoliation tools na sobrang gaspang. Perfect to. I've been using this a lot actually before. So, yeah, nag-provide sila. It's a charcoal konjac sponge. I love it. So, yan. So, kung issue nyo ang maskne or may kilala kayo na talagang gustong nagkakaproblema sa maskne, ayan, this is the perfect gift set for them. Actually, regalo ko sa sarili ko. Lagyan ko ng card to Martha. From Martha. So, from the Body Shop. So, ayan. Okay, next. Nourishing Shea Little Gift Box. Ayan. So, okay, what is inside this beautiful gift box? Wow! Ang ganda! Ooh! Pangligo, Beshi! So, this is the Shea line. Oh my God! Pagbukas pa lang, yung aroma mo na gusto ko maligo tuloy. So, anyway, this is the little gift box. So, we have here the Shea Shower Cream. Ha! Alam na, akin na yan. And the Shea Body Butter. Smells really good too. So, may pagka-milky creamy ang Shea. So, if you're into that kind of scent, I highly recommend this. And of course, hand cream. Bilang lagi tayong nag-alcohol ngayon at naghugas ng kamay, so dry hands are also an issue. So, the Body Shop Shea hand... Ay, hindi siya hand soap. Soap. So, yan. Pwede for the body and for the hands. And there's super cute loofah, which I love because perfect siya pang travel. And by the way, Beshies, the Body Shop also shared with me na one of their goals also for this year, starting this year, is to make their gift sets more sustainable. If you've seen naman, sobrang elaborate nung mga boxes. Ang ganda. Now, with boxes and gifts like this, for some brands, that means usage of more materials and resources. So, mas maraming mga napuputol na puno, ng mga ginagawang plastic. So, for them, they decided to redesign their packaging. So, instead of, alam mo yun, yung sobrang daming mga cutouts and corners na will require more resources, like wood specifically, ginawa na lang nila na ganito, na talagang, as much as possible, dalawang materials lang to create the gift box. So, yan, ginawa nilang mas smart yung packaging nila ng gift boxes para less resources yung magamit. And also, these boxes are recycled. Ayan, nakalagay dito, FSC, mixed packaging from responsible sources. So, ayan. If I'm not mistaken, yung FSC, nakikita mo yan kapag certified na ni-recycle yung materials. Ano to? Pastry. Hindi pala. Okay. Oh my God, so cute. Mga pangsapit sa Christmas tree. Oh my God. I have a mini Christmas tree here. Tsaka, gagawin ko nga yung Christmas tree ko. Kahit wala ko dito sa condo ngayon, tatayo ko yung Christmas tree ko. Para Christmassy pa dito. Oh my God, super cute. Mga ornaments. Thank you, The Body Shop. Alright, Beshies. Dito naman tayo sa bolang kristal. No, joke. This is inspired by snow globes. So, yan. Paano yung nabuksan to? Okay. So, you twist it like this. Hindi, mali ako. Hindi siya tinitwist. Wait lang. Paano buksan ito? Palaisipan. Ayun. Okay. Tama ako. So, you just twist it. And you kind of find yung portion to pry it open. Ayan. Ganun siya. Okay. So, this is a skincare set. So, meron siyang, for hair care. Banana Nourishing Conditioner, mga travel size. Love na love ko tong banana na to. Na hair care line nila. Ang bango. Tapos, lambot sa hair, tsaka ang bilis i-rinse. And there's stuff inside. So, inside the ball are, okay. So, meron siyang body butter, strawberry, and shower gel, also travel size, and lip butter. Ooh, okay. So, para siyang fruity collection. For the body and for the hair. Ganda nito, So, thanks to Body Shop. I love. Next is the Christmassy hand cream. So, para sa mga friends nyo na naiirita na because kailangan mag-alcohol and hand wash all the time, this is the perfect gift set. So, hindi ko nabubuksan, pero kita nyo naman somehow yung size niya. It's pretty small. Same size as yung Shea Butter hand cream in the other gift set. And it also comes in the limited edition holiday scent. So, si Warm Vanilla, Festive Berry, and Winter Jasmine. Tip ko lang, Beshies, kung gusto nyo lang yung magbigay ng, if you have a lot of friends, tapos gusto nyo lang mamigay ng, something to them na hindi ka naman gagastos ng sobrang laki. What I love doing is, I buy stocking stuffer gifts. So, what are those? Ito, this is an example. Kasi parang small lang siya, and at the same time, magandang value. So, what I do is, I buy this. Tapos, alam mo yun, i-divide ko na lang siya among my friends. So, para pag sa party, Merry Christmas, ito gift ko. Alam mo yun? So, that's one tip for you. So, kung medyo beauty sana budget kayo, this is one good gift to give. So, and to get. So, yan. Budget, hacks for you guys. And finally, meron tayong last 3 dito. So, we have the limited edition skincare individuals. May ganun si The Body Shop. So, here we have the Festive Berry Body Yogurt. Yan siya. So, yan. Isa to sa mga nagustuhan kong limited edition scents ni The Body Shop for this Christmas season. And, itong body yogurt niya, Beshi, para sa mga ayaw mag-lotion to. Love na love ko to May ganito ako. So, ayan siya. It is lotion in gel format. How brilliant is that? Next is Sugar Lip Scrub. So, may lip scrub din sila. So, ito sa mga favorite na mga skincare products ko, lip scrub. Oh my God. Vanilla. Baka kainin ko to kapag gamitin ko. Ang bangoy tsaka ang yummy. And finally, we have the Winter Jasmine Shower Gel. I won't say no to extra shower gel. Ang bango. Love it. Yeah, that's it for our The Body Shop unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope may nakuha kayong mga gift ideas from this video. So, again, if you want to buy these gifts, you could just go to Lazada and check out The Body Shop's official Lazmall. You can order these from Lazada or you can go to thebodyshop.com.ph. The stores are also open, so kung hindi naman kayo maselan and okay kayo mag-mall, you can drop by and get these gifts ASAP. And as I mentioned, you can get these gifts and have them delivered. How? Through online. Kung ayaw nyo pa rin lumabas, you can order them online and just, let them know that you want them delivered to a loved one, a friend, a family member. Para, you can still celebrate Christmas together and, make them feel love even if you guys are apart. So, that's it, Beshies. And just, don't forget to follow The Body Shop and their official social media accounts. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow my social media accounts and share this video if you like it. And I will see you in the next VLOGMAS video. Bye!